How to turn off screenshot sound on iPhone. To get started, it is important to understand how your iPhone handles the screenshot sound. First, take a screenshot. There is a shutter noise that plays when you capture your screen to confirm that the screenshot has been successfully taken. To take a silent screenshot, you must first locate the silent switch. Before taking your screenshot, flip this switch down. When you do this, you will see a brief on-screen notification that says Silent Mode on. Now, open up the Settings application and scroll to find Sounds and Haptics. Here, under the Ringtone and Alerts volume section, simply drag the slider all the way down to mute the sound. From now on, whenever you take a screenshot, your iPhone will not make the shutter sound. Following these steps, you can easily turn off screenshot sound on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.